Investor Cosmos. Please, I want to explain something quickly. Today, for the past 2 weeks, like last week and this week, I've not been in the market actually. I told you I'm learning the forex market. I subscribed online, so that's why I've not been in the market. But I was so surprised when one of my co-investor made $4,000 today. I was like, is this like seriously? So and I came to the market and I saw the market was uptrend throughout. So let's go. This strategy will tell you where to buy and where to take your profit. It's 100% accurate. I tested it, but I've not been in the market. I've tested it in my demo, is working, but I was saying if I finish learning before I start trading, but I saw that today's market was so good. Or like Jesus. And he was using the log size of 0.005. That is the worst part. So I decided to enter the market from this point. It's small. See, my profit is still small. $133. You people should get ready. We are going to sell. The sellers are going to sell very soon. So where did I enter this market? This market started moving on a buy from here. You see, with this arrow, you see, is very straight. It's step buying from this particular point. You see, when these three indicators, the green, the blue, and the red, is above, it's above the candlestick. If it's above the candlestick, it's telling you to buy. If it's below the candlestick, it's telling you to sell. So as you are seeing this thing now, if this blue moving average, which is in the RSI, crosses this my line, you take profit. So I'm leaving this market till this blue now, this one crosses this green. That is when, or if it crosses this green immediately, I take profit. So if you notice, I entered the market at this particular point. At this point, see, I entered the market at this point. You can see I entered the market at this point. You can see, if you trace it, you see I entered the market here. So if this blue goes down and crosses this my line here, I will take profit. Let's go back to know whether this strategy is correct. Let's know whether this strategy is correct. Let's know. Like I was like, oh, today that I decided not to enter the market. Say I decided not to enter the market. It's well. So, but this strategy will not be released now. It will not be released now. This yellow moving average shows you the support and resistance level. Example, let me show you something. Let me assume you start selling from this particular point. See, you be on sell till this particular point. If you take your profit at this particular point, you notice the market was ranging. You wait again. This is another signal telling you to sell. And if it's telling you to sell, you draw your 2 again. You are still going to draw it again. You still draw your 2. Okay, if you, at this particular point again, if you started selling, you see, if you start selling from this particular point, you're meant to take profit here. So if you took your profit here, you see, you will not be affected, and the market started buying. So with this, it will tell you when to buy and when to take profits. So we are going to be like, I told myself, I've not been trading for the past last week, this week I've been learning, but today's market was so good that I said, if I was in this market, I could have even used the lock size of 0.15, then maybe making like $10,000. But everything is fine, God knows why. So we are still managing this market. So I'll be on this market till this green. You see, this green is going down now. Immediately it crosses here, I'll take my profit. I'll wait for another sell signal. If this green is up, if this tree EMA is above the candlestick, is telling me to sell. If it's below the candlestick, it's telling me to buy. So this is how we trade it.